Hi. Hi, little man. Did you find me? Hi, Checkers. Yeah. Oh, who's that? Oh, you gonna come say hi too? That's Miss Yellow. Oh, we got Mr. Frost. And this would be Miss Purple. Oh my. Oh, don't hit the car. Oh, did you push your neck up against the edge, buddy? Be careful. Hi. How are you? What you doing? Yeah? You got stuff to say? Stuff to say? This is Mr. Green right there. So we have Checkers, little man. It's Yellow. Frost is thinking about climbing out. Oh, who's this? Who's that? That's little Cece. Hi, Cece. Hi, baby girl. Oh, yeah. Oh, when it takes time. And there's Frost again. You're teething, so you're going to chew on me a little bit. Who's this? This is Rainbow, Miss Rainbow. Hi, baby. Oh, somebody got dirty on me. I got to clean that off. That won't be the last time. Definitely not the first. Hi, little buddy. Hi, little man. Pretty girl. Are you watching me? These are Scarlett and Flame puppies. So who's over there? This light one here is Mr. S'mores. Oh. Green's trying to block it. Oh, that's purple again. So over there, that's little Sunset. Who else am I missing? So again, here we have Frost. Miss Yellow. Here's little Cece. Aha, here's one. This is Comet. Or Cosmos, sorry. Mr. Cosmos. Little S'mores is up here. There's a green. Little Sunset. Let's see here. There's Rainbow. So now we've got a couple of them in the... Oh, what? Are you talking to me? Hi, baby. Well, hello. Yeah. Oh, you're going to try to climb out. You're going to try to climb out. Well, don't lean your neck up against the edge, baby. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, you got the right idea. Stick a foot over it. Come on out, Scarlett. Okay. Oh, what are you doing back there? Oh, it looks like she's going to go to the bathroom. Hi, babies.